Hey, I'm Tracy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I absolutely loved how this texture turned out. It's subtle and yet beautiful, kind of marble-esque. And of course the gold leaf is shiny. Who doesn't want a shiny wedding cake? Enough said, let's get to it. Since this is only a display cake, I'm using a foam dummy, and to make it taller, I'm just using a layer of Rice Krispie treats. And I'll coat that in buttercream. As you can see, I put a little lid on the top. That's just so I can hold it down and scrape at the same time. That's a trick I learned when I did pottery. Smooth out the surface of that icing. And use a piece of mylar folder to crisp up that edge. Here I've covered a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and a 6-inch cake, all in some marshmallow fondant. Here I'm using a little fondant paste to fill in that gap. And now I'm going to create the texture. Here I have some ivory food color, mixing it with a little alcohol. And this is just a scrunched up piece of plastic wrap. I'll dip it in the color and I will dab it on the cake like a sponge. And it creates that nice texture effect. I've moistened the fondant just a little bit with a little hand steamer, and I'm going to apply the edible gold leaf. I'll have a link in the description box so you know where to buy that. And it's easy to place the gold onto a wet surface using a dry paintbrush. I have a general idea of the direction I'm going to place the gold, but mostly I'll be putting it on randomly. Now it's finished with that beautiful ivory texture and that shiny gold foil. So recently I teamed up with a company called Scale About. It's a platform where you can go on and you can ask me a question, and then I will come on a video just like this and answer you directly and personally. Go to scaleabout.com. I am going to leave a link down in the description box and ask me your questions. I would love to hear from you. Bye.